Hi, I'm Emma and I would love to talk to you about a very special place in my grandparents' garden. So behind me is a wildflower meadow that my grandma sowed quite a few years ago now. She was quite ahead of her time because now wildflower meadows are very fashionable for biodiversity, for encouraging insects and wildlife into your garden. So she decided to sow one, which is quite a lot of work. You've got to dig the top layer of the turf off, then sow all the seed, then irrigate it and water it, then let it grow, mow it and repeat year after year. But it was beautiful. So many poppies, cornflowers, oxeye daisies. It was absolutely stunning. And the fact that it was under the apple trees as well was just really special. Sadly, since my grandma died, it's obviously been a little bit neglected. My grandpa was a wheelchair user, so he wasn't able to really maintain it like it was needed to be maintained. But now I am absolutely determined to resurrect it to the meadow that it should be. So I've started from scratch. I've cut the top layer of the turf off. I used a turf cutter. Oh my gosh, it was traumatic, but we got there in the end. I cut the top layer of the turf off. I've reseeded it and I used my amazing QVC sprinkler to irrigate it. And we have germination. We have liftoff. Loads of the little seeds have sprouted. They have germinated. So I am hoping that next year, when I get married in June in the garden, it is going to be absolutely beautiful. I'm still yet to make a scarecrow out of one of my granddad's old shirts. In fact, the same one that my grandma used when she sewed it about 10 years ago.